Okay, so this is my workshop. I've been here a couple of years. I think it's time to do a complete makeover. And we'll start by this wall. And the plan is to make a shelving system from top to bottom using all of these Auer boxes. And to do that, we'll just make some simple framing. Okay. First thing, clean up all this mess. I will do that by doing there. All good. I did, however, make a mess the other way. Okay, shelving unit mostly done. Now it's time to fill them up by declutter all of this. Done! Really happy, lots of storage. missing one box because counting is hard. So next part of rearranging the workshop is to clean up the other side of the shop. So like, share and subscribe. Cool, see you later, bye.